Welcome back to our DocBits tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the main dashboard and its key features. On the left, you'll find the navigation bar with various modules. The modules displayed may vary depending on your configuration, as some might be disabled. Below the modules, you'll find important sections like Settings, Support, and your user account. Here you can adjust your settings, such as changing the language, enabling dark mode, or logging out. In the user settings, you can update your password, name, date format, and currency format. At the top right of the dashboard, you'll find additional features. Let's take a closer look at these buttons. The first button refreshes the page. The Settings button allows you to configure keyboard shortcuts, view import logs, adjust column settings, and define document sorting. Additionally, you can select the time frame for filtering documents here. Next to it, you'll find buttons for scanning documents, viewing statistics, and uploading documents. You can upload files manually via drag and drop or configure an automated email connection. Before diving into the table, let's take a look at the display above the right-hand bar. Here, you'll see the current number of documents in progress. Next to it, you'll find your company name and a help button that takes you directly to our comprehensive documentation. In the main table, you'll see the Actions column, which includes the PO indicator. For more information on the color codes of the PO indicator, check the link in the video description. Under the three-dot menu, you can perform various actions, such as validating documents, assigning employees, or viewing the document flow. One more useful feature in the document table: you can resize the columns to better view the information and reorder them as needed. This allows you to customize the table according to your workflow and preferences. Finally, let's take a look at the search function. When you click on the Refine icon, you can define specific filters to find exactly what you need. These filters include the document type, status, the assigned colleague, and the start and end date. This powerful search tool helps you quickly locate and manage your documents with ease. That was a brief overview of the DocBits dashboard. Stay tuned for more videos to help you maximize your productivity with DocBits. Need assistance? Contact support anytime through the sidebar.